and welcome back to the very last day of my holiday organizing series. I gotta tell you, I can't believe we have been going almost every single day with these videos since the day after Thanksgiving. And I'm tired. No, I'm just kidding. But if you missed any of my previous videos, just go click on the iCard up there. It'll take you to the whole playlist of everything I've talked about this holiday season. And even if some of the tips happen before the holidays, the information in those tips will help you prepare for next year. So go check them out. Now in this last tip, I want to talk about labeling your boxes. Labeling boxes is a very underrated thing. But honestly, when you're looking for something, having a nice clear label up there, it can make a world of difference when you're trying to stay organized because it helps you find what you need when you need it. So in this tip, I want to talk about one of the templates I created that you can find in my 55-page downloadable PDF that I've been talking about all season long. I will put the link to get that PDF down in the description box below. Be sure to go get it before you start putting your holiday decorations away. I can tell you it'll make a world of difference next year. Now the template in my PDF that I am talking about is this labeling template. Because here's the thing that a lot of people don't really think about. Most of our holiday decorations are stored in a location like our garage and up high on a shelf. You don't want a tiny label on a box that you have to climb up a ladder to see what's in that box. With a label like this, you will be able to see it very clearly from standing on the ground. And in my PDF, you will find it in a full-size version like this, and also I created a half-size version for smaller boxes. So let me show you how these labels can help you find what you need when you need it a lot faster. Again, the link to my PDF is in the description box below. So all you need to do with this template is to put what room the decorations are for, and then you can itemize everything that is in that box. Now I do realize that from year to year, what we store in our holiday boxes can change, and this template takes that into account. And I want to show you how easy it is to change up these labels should you decide to change up your decorations. So basically what you'll need to do is to use a sheet protector and tape them to the side of the box with some packing tape. Then you simply insert the labeling template into that page protector. It'll keep your label neat and clean throughout the year. And should you change up what's in that box, simply pull the old label out, print a new labeling template, and pop it back in that page protector. Easy peasy. Okay, I hope the 30+ holiday organizing tips I've shared with you this season will help create that organization you're looking for so that you can enjoy the true spirit of the season. Before you go, please be sure to click on that link to get my downloadable PDF so that you'll have an excellent tool to help you create a lot more organization next year. Okay, so all you need to do is basically just look below my video to the description box. It's right here below my video. Then you just click on the Show More, and then it'll say to purchase my holiday downloadable PDF right there. And you just simply click on the link right next to it. That'll take you to this page. It's the Pay page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a Pay with PayPal. Just click on that button. That'll take you to this page. Now if you have a PayPal account, you can just put in your email up here. Otherwise, you can create an account down below here. Then just add in your email and then press Continue to Payment. That'll take you to this page. Now I blocked out some of my personal information, but you go to where it says Add Debit or Credit Card, click there, add in your payment information, and then press Pay Now. That'll bring you to this page where you can see it says Holiday Binder Organizer AZ911. Here's the download button. You just click on that download button right there, and there is my PDF. You can either print it up right away or save it to your desktop and print it up later. Take care, everyone, and Happy New Year.